Okay, so it is Friday, May 7th, and I'm going to do my recap. Lost $3,000. So absolutely embarrassing what I did today. Absolutely embarrassing. I just don't know where to even start, honestly. It's it's embarrassing. There's no other words to put it. Deplorable, embarrassing, unfair to myself. It is just unbelievable, honestly. I was having a not so good week. I was up $1,600 for the week, and now I have another weird week. Down $1,300 for the week. My drawdown now is $12,000 since November. I was doing so well. $12,000. I had this fucking stretch where I lost 9K, made it back real quick, and then now down to $45,000, 365. My average winning day a month ago, my average winning day a month ago was 533. Now it's 365. This is after I had a small bad day. It is absolutely embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing what I'm doing. Absolutely fucking embarrassing. It's been an embarrassing week. It's been a super embarrassing day. It is beyond words, honestly. I don't even know. Well, I do know. The thing is, like, I don't wanna. I said time and time again, leave if you lose $500. Leave if you lose $500. Just walk away. Better be up 1,000 than to be down nothing for the week. No, your boy just couldn't do that. I had to get it crushed. I just had to. That's how I like. That's what I like. That's what I love getting crushed. Let's look at the trades. And today was so frustrating because I had really good ideas, just not at the right moments. Didn't execute well. No planned exit really. No playbook trades really. Just an all in all embarrassing day. What can I say, man? First trade of the day, going against the trend. Obviously, why not start like that, right? SQ went long at 933. Why did I go long at 933 right over here? Maybe because I think it was on the 5 minute, bouncing on the 5 minute 9 EMA. So I went long because it was an R4 to R5 setup, but it wasn't anymore because it wasn't a breakout trade. So I guess the setup would have been a bounce off of R4. That is exactly what happened. So I went long 200 shares, got stopped out real quick. I didn't like the trade, got stopped out. Went short Riot, 1,000 shares at 940. I was just sitting there. I missed a bunch of trades. I missed a bunch of trades from the get go. I missed the 1 minute opening range breakdown here in Riot. Perfect trade. I missed another breakout trade in TLRY, which was my main setup for today, but it just seems like I cannot just do it. R4 to R5 breakout perfectly. 1 minute opening range breakout. Gets all the way up to R5. I was thinking, let's go heavy on this trade. Let's take it. No, your boy didn't take it. What for? Who gives a fucking shit? I thought maybe this pullback was too big, but obviously not at all. So it's perfect. Another missed opportunity there. Went short Riot, going against the trend. Doesn't make any sense. So I told myself, like, don't take this trade. You're going against the trend. What for? Why take it? No need for it. Went short 3505 and 942. After the rejection here, got stopped out 3425 since it wasn't a playbook trade. What for? Then I went short again, Riot. Okay, no, so I went short and I covered through, and then I went short again. 942, get stopped out. The stop should have been above this level. I just didn't put the stop above the level. Just got out of 3424 in a trade that eventually worked. But then what happened? I went in again This time with 2,000. Okay, I went short one more time, 34.07. Didn't like it, covered, and then I went short 2,000 shares at 34.70. Like a fucking idiot. Far away from the daily open. And it got to the previous day close. Could have covered. I wanted to see more action because the MRA was really falling down. Didn't happen. Get stopped out in the 90s. There we go. I'm down 1,100 bucks. There's Q. Couple of other, trades that I wanted to take. Choppy as fuck. I don't know why I was in this. But I went long again, 236. This was my only winning trade today, actually. Went long 236.53, and of course I exited before, daily open was my target. Whatever, fuck it. I got out in this candle over here at 944, 945, right? 238. Just a little bit of money. Wanted to get out over here a little bit higher. Couldn't do it. Whatever. Tried to go one more time long. Got stopped out badly. 946. So I wanted to go long again here. Got stopped out badly around here. Eventually it did work out. So another good trade, another trade idea that I had that didn't work, that I didn't manage well. Lost money in Riot, and then my brilliant idea of going short DKNG, which was a great trade. In high after the fact, but I went short over here. 3,000 shares. I wanted to go 2,000. I didn't get cover as filled, so I pressed the button one more time. 3,000 shares. Get stopped out at the 55.68, 52.68. Boom. That's 1,800 bucks trade there. Down 3,000. For what? For fucking DKNG coming all the way down. Pathetic, man. Absolutely pathetic day. Pathetic, dude. Fucking pathetic. I was looking for this setup over here. It did play out. At this point, I was already out. I was done. But no real, again, no playbook. No playbook trade. What is the playbook trade? A 5-minute open range breakdown? Okay. I was saying trade the pivot points, Marco. Trade the pivot points. Didn't get out at R1. Didn't get at R2. Got it in the middle. Got out in the middle. And, yeah. That's it. What can I say? I'm a fucking idiot. I'm an absolute fucking moron. I'm a fucking moron, man. PTON. Another good trade above R5 to look for. Sure, I was looking at over here. And this was a good breakout trade. I didn't like it because it was above R5, but that was a really good breakout trade. Didn't want to go short here. I saw this. I'm like, this is so good. Such a good opportunity. Didn't take it. Such a good because look how far it is from the 5-minute 9 EMA, and it's above R5. And you can see how it hits R4 here perfectly. Now it's bouncing off of R5 again and a VWAP. I just have so many good setups, and I just didn't take any of them today. None of my setups were playbook setups. None of them. Zero. So it's up to me, man. It's up to me. I'm in my big drawdown. I know I can make it back. It's okay. I mean, it's not okay because what I'm doing is not okay. Number one reason of what happened, I should have walked away when I lost more than $500. Why not, dude? Why do I have to keep trading? There's no reason for me to keep trading. I'm up. Why do I have to keep trading, man? Why? Why do I have to do that to myself? It is just so disappointing, man. It is so disappointing. So disappointing. Disappointing, pathetic, just... Yeah. I mean, I'm saying like I don't know what I have to do, but I just do know what I have to do. I just have to take playbook setups and just walk away when I lose more than $500 now. Like, is that difficult, man? Like, if my job consists in just two things, take playbook setups and walk away if I lose more than 500, why am I just not doing it? I had a perfect, beautiful playbook setup in TRY. Why not take that, man? Why not? Like, what is holding me back from taking these setups? SQ. What is the setup here? An R4 bounce. If it's not going to be a breakout trade, it has to be at least an R4 bounce. That is the setup. Why am I taking it here, there? No, why don't I wait and take it here? I mean, it's Riot. I was telling myself like, hey, you're going against the trend. Okay, MARA was coming down here, so that's why I was taking the trade short because there was much more down move in MARA. But why didn't I take the Riot trade? Why did I take? There's no. This is not my playbook setup. And I was telling myself like, hey, try to go long today. If the market has the sentiment of going long, Riot has been coming down for a number of days. Why didn't I go long here? It is just really bad, honestly. It's really pathetic, man. It's really, really pathetic. It's really, really pathetic. Everything is pathetic of how I've been performing, man. Beautiful setup here too yesterday in W, and I fucking got out too soon, before the stop, before the what should have been the stop loss. In Riot, I gave away $300 more than I had to. The stop should have been right above daily open. I got stopped out in the 90s. 2,000 shares. You want to know? That's $300 right there. Here, I'm getting out, and I'm not taking. I'm getting out before the pivot points or before the setup. Like, what am I doing, man? What in the fuck am I doing? It's so disappointing, man. So disappointing. Absolutely disappointing, man. Heartbreaking, disappointing. There's so many good trades. And then this one, man. Then this one. Like, wow, Marco, you outdid yourself, man. You out fucking did yourself tremendously. Absolutely fucking tremendous. mRNA again going this day. Uber getting out like so soon, man. So fucking soon. So soon. So soon. This day, right? Was it this day? Yeah. Like, why am I getting out here? Why am I getting out? Why? No reason to get out. This trade could have made my whole week alone $4,000, and I'm just not obeying, man. I'm just not following my rules, not following anything, man. It is just disheartening. GM, another trade that did work out above R5 short, and I obviously had to screw it up, right? I did have to screw it up. Was it this trade? Was it here? Yeah. Yeah, and I'm just not putting sensible stop losses, not anything. Look, it's all the way down to R4 almost. It is just what other trade here? Lift again. Okay, this in this case it did work the 5 minute. But look how much I left on the table, man. It is just beyond disappointing, man. Riot. Yeah, I reached a little bit of a here. I reached a little bit of a target, but did I? Why did I exit? It didn't break the 5 minute 9 EMA. No reason to fucking exit that trade. It is just, man. It is just fucking disappointing, dude. But now, okay, now what do I have to do? Keep crying like this? Keep crying like a fucking bitch? No. I have to readjust. Again. I have to readjust. I have to readjust and just focus, man. Again, my job consists of two things, man. Number one, taking playbook trade. Number one, getting away. I mean, number one is taking playbook trades, okay? Because you're in here to make money. So, taking playbook trades. Number one, I have the playbook trades. That's it. I shouldn't be taking anything that it's not a playbook trade, man. Honestly, I should even just focus on like I have 6 stocks. Why just not look at 3 stocks or 2 stocks? and we just focus on that, man. Maybe I just have to do that too. You know? I don't know. I honestly don't know. But it's focusing on playbook trades and getting up if I lose more than $500. Like, that's it. Can I please do that, man? And I do the pre-market prep and I talk myself into like, hey, if you use that, just get up, and then I come here and I let everything just fucking blow out the window, man. It is just pathetic. It is just absolutely pathetic, man. It's pathetic. Like, no consistency, no discipline, no, no nothing. I mean, like, what the fuck? Shit. I mean, I'm okay. I mean, I still have what, 70K in my fucking account? Or my fucking account? $76,000 in my account? Still have $76,000. Okay, I can make the money. It's fine. I'm not in. Oh, I cannot work for a year and be okay. Yeah. But do I just want to be okay, or do I want to be a fucking good trader, make more money, and live a better lifestyle? And I mean, I cannot put food on the table on the long term like this. You know, I just cannot. I have to be realistic too. If I keep trading like this, like what am I gonna do? No, I have to get back to how I used to be, man. I have to get back how I used to be. In November and December, I mean, November, okay, biggest losing day. Okay, these were two bad losing days, but look at my winning days, man. I was having like 1,000, 1,200, 2,000, 1,800. December, I mean, 12,000 bucks. Perfect month. Okay, big losing day here, but look at all this, man. I mean, January wasn't that good. I was on vacation. Only made 5K. Couple of big losing days there too. But February, I made 9,400 bucks. Again, a few big losing days. March, amazing. I mean, okay, I had a few big losing days, but I made 19,000 bucks. April, terrible. Lose 10K. 10K in like 3 fucking days, Look at my days, all plus $1,000 losing days. It's insane, man. It's insane. In March, there we go, man. Perfect. Started with a small losing day, okay. Have whatever, and then now this shit. Down fucking 3,000, not 3,000, 1,300 bucks for the week, for the month. So fucking disappointing, upsetting. And fuck, look at DKNG. Look at this motherfucker, man. Look at DKNG, dude. Look at fucking DKNG. With my 3,000 shares, that would have been, there we go, $3,600, obviously, and it's gonna keep coming down. Fantastic, man. Fucking fantastic. Fucking idiot, dude. What a fucking idiot. What a fucking moron, man. Yeah, that's the recap. I guess I'll see you guys on Monday.